Okay, so that was kind of a fail. So I initially started recording with the camera and I noticed that the angle was completely off, so I should have checked that beforehand. But yeah, we should be good now. Anyways, take two. So I am making an unboxing video on the EUROLOGIC oil catch can for the EVO 8. I found this through online. I saw like the way it was set up, and it looks pretty good in the pictures. So I already saw it, unfortunately, so you're not gonna get my initial reaction, but I'll pretend. What I was mentioning before was that I really like how the catch can has a bracket built into the catch can for the EVO 10 battery terminal, which is what I have on my EVO 8 currently. And so I'm upgrading the catch can because I have this generic oil catch can at the moment. Currently, it's not the best. So hopefully this should take care of that. But yeah, let's go into the unboxing of this EUROLOGIC oil catch can. Check out the welds. So as you open it up, you get yourself a K&N sticker, and then 2 flange nuts. So let's put that to the side. And then this is the best part, some airheads. That's a nice touch. And then you got the invoice over here with the address and all the info. And you know what, let's just take out the catch can right now. But packaging is pretty good. It does the job. So let's lay this down on top like so. Let's open it up. As you guys can see already, it's already unwrapped and everything. But here's the oil catch can itself. I did order it with just 2 ports. There is an option for 4, but currently I'm just using 2 from the valve cover. So drain. This bracket goes to the stock battery location tray area, so that's pretty neat. Just the studs come out through here, boom, nut and nut. I'm assuming that's probably for this. So, and then this is the best part. This is where you put the EVO 10 battery terminal box on there. So I have like this Menard special going on back there with like 2-3 brackets at the same time, making it work. But it's not the best looking bracket that I got on there. But this is built in, so it's just a 2-in-1 type thing. It's gonna clean up the engine bay a lot more. And not only that, I mean the painting on the oil catch can is pretty good. But the welds are pretty decent. More than decent. Like if I know how to weld. That's good. That's good to me. Feels pretty sturdy. Has some good weight to it. So there you guys have it. And I'll just upload a little short clip on this, showcasing the welds and all the little items on it. So yeah, next thing to do would be to install it. That'd be probably in 2 days or so. I'll get it installed, and then I have some other goodies to install as well. So for this, I give this a 10 out of 10 so far. Can't wait to install it and see how it actually looks in the car. Alright guys, on this clip, basically what we're gonna do is get rid of this engine mount. It's a, what is it, power agency power engine mount. Apparently the stiffness on it is quite high. It's like basically almost solid. So I bought a torque solution engine mount, and hopefully that gives me a little bit less vibrations. I guess I'm getting old, I don't know. But the engine does have balance shaft deletes, so I understand it is going to vibrate more. But knowing that the bushings on this are a lot harder than what the torque solutions are, so knowing that, hopefully that takes care of certain vibrations in the car. I'll give you guys a little look of what I'm dealing with right now. That new oil catch can should take care of all this area right here. So yeah, this thing sucks. Maybe I should start a GoFundMe. Alright, basically what I'm doing right now is supporting the engine. Put a wood block on there, that way we can get to this mount. I have all the parts in the car right now, so this is an O2 sensor for my AEM wideband gauge. The one I have on right now isn't reading anymore. It's just stuck at 14.7. Perfect AFR, bro. Oh shit, when did I buy this? Nice. And this is some insulation that I was thinking about installing underneath the dash, hoping to get rid of some rattles, because this thing is annoying now. I don't know, I feel like I'm just noticing a lot of these things now, and yeah, but here we are. No unboxing video on this, straight to the point. You guys know torque solution. I got some silicone vibrant hoses that I plan on installing soon. Probably won't show that, but reason I got these are because they're silicone, and the ones I have on right now are like AutoZone special. So but yeah, this is our test for today. And on the bright side, it's gonna match my oily transmission side mount. Got some tools in here. The Daily, the Optima is no longer a race car, so that's an update for you guys. I would put the mufflers back on. I have some pictures of that. Put the mufflers back on. I saw the JB4. Car's quiet. I still have the air filter on there and the blow off valve, or the recirc valve, just for the sound of the turbo. But other than that, she's slow. And to top it off, the cat's clogged, so it's really slow. But I grabbed this because we're going back to the stock cover. I like the clear look, but since it's all stained up and dirty, I no longer like it. And I feel like this will give it a cleaner look, cleaner engine bay look. So we're going with this. 14. Got the extendo. My setup might look a little bit different. I'm missing a few things on here, like AC related stuff, so I do have AC delete. Kind of wire tucked a little bit of stuff here. Got rid of the cooler for the power steering, so might be a bit different for you guys, but for the most part should be the same. There you go. She's out. Just gotta finesse it out. There you go. Little persuasion, and she's out. Okay, so as you guys can see, pretty much same thing. These bushings probably interchange. Oop, touch the ground. That's good. That one's gonna be kind of iffy. Putting back the OE for the win. And it goes like that. And that goes like that. Cool. I already cleaned them up multiple times and they always go out. Okay, this thing kicked my butt. Brand new mount installed, tighten, snug this down, double check this one, and triple checked all these, so we should be good. Now, I mean, you guys won't be able to tell, but at least I will. I'm gonna start it up and see if there is a difference, or maybe I'm just, I don't know. We'll see. Regardless, it looks better. So my hero session head camera died, so you guys are gonna have to deal with this. Right now, I'm gonna remove the oil catch can, so I might just put on time lapse. Look at this junk. Not doing its job. Now I gotta remove that battery terminal area. This one should be a 10. That was kind of scary loose as well. This car's a fucking hazard. This is my Menard special bracket. Good. Did the job. Okay, how does this go? Okay, I see. I'll show you guys later, but I see the post, the 2 studs coming out. Looks like I have a ground to it in there. Alright guys, so figured out, so you guys can tell it got dark. Figured out how to get this installed. Kind of loosen up these wires just to give me some more slack. But yeah, I got the, okay, I can show you guys it better. I have to continue this tomorrow, honestly. It's pretty dark. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty dark. So you can see the one up there, the other one on there. And so what you do is sneak them in through this side, like so. You can get to them with a swivel. So I gotta snug that down and then rotate this housing so it fits on there. But honestly, I might just call it quits there, because then I also gotta figure out that